Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 2005 Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Supersport, and this is by Majorette from their premium series, and I bought this for MRP, which is 899. So yeah, you can see here 64 scale metal chassis, rubber tire, showcase. Yeah, everything is there. Okay, let me try to pull it out like I did last time. Okay, it came, but still I managed to damage this card here. Honestly, the card art looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, you can actually make a small poster with this. Just cut it out this part. It will it will look really gorgeous. Okay, let me put this aside. Let's get into the casting now. So it's a proper acrylic case. Let me remove this. Again, they did black once again. That too, this glass black. I think Veyron came in a blue color also, if I'm not wrong. It's been so long since I saw a Veyron, but I'm just guessing at this point. I remember, yeah, I think I did one video by what is this, Tamika. That was really nice. I'm hoping that it is a Veyron. Okay. So here is the casting itself. I mean, it looks really, it feels heavy. As you can see, it has some scratches on the windshield. I don't know how that happens. So it does have some fingerprints of mine, so don't worry on that part. Okay. So it does have some kind of, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this, but see, I actually saw a lot of this, but I picked this one. I was hoping that I might not be having any issue with the casting, but it feels like, someone actually, try to glue something and they put their finger here. So that's what it feels like. Okay. So apart from that, it has good interior detailing to it. It has acrylic headlights. So the grill details are not really that good. It is just painted. They went Hot Wheels with this one. But the rear view mirrors here, it stays true to this car, and it is proper plastic. It is not like silicone or anything like that. The fuel filler cap looks really nice. I mean, it has this uh, detailing, EB detailing, and you can see the taillight detailing also here. This looks really nice. You here also you can see the issue. I don't remember touching this part. Yeah, I didn't. So this also has the same issue. It feels like someone actually put their fingerprint there. I don't know how the manufacturing of theirs is. And I know some paint issue here. You can see the rear fender. Man, I'm really unlucky when it comes to these kind of things, I guess. Okay, the rims on this one looks really nice. It is not really rolling well, so it is not going to roll at all in this track. Let's see. But it does look really good. It could have been better on this casting. Okay, but it is a full metal casting. Honestly, this casting, personally for me, it doesn't click. I mean, it has rear view mirrors as well. It has a wiper detailing here, and okay, so it is a full metal casting. This particular piece here on the spoiler, this is plastic, and these two pieces are plastic, the rear view mirrors. And okay, let's see if it has suspension. I think it has, but it's setting too low to the ground, and you can see the tire touches the rear fender here, so it is not getting in. The front side, you can see it is dropping down very little. But stands wise, I think they could have done a little bit better. They could have reduced this space here. It would be perfect like this. So okay, let's weigh this casting now. 44 grams. Yeah, not bad for a premium. It is not going to roll, again I'm saying. Yeah, see, it doesn't even move because the wheel is actually stuck. It is not properly rolling. Honestly, first time I measured on this premium series, I'm seeing a casting really disappointing. Uh, at least for me. Maybe you might like it, but this one doesn't look really good at all. No, the paint job is a mess, and it doesn't roll at all. I mean, honestly, out of the box, it feels a little bit cheap, to be honest. I'm not going to lie just because I like Majorettes. This casting does feel bit cheap. It doesn't feel premium at all. And specifically the grill details here, I was hoping they would put some kind of plastic piece like they did for the semi premiums. So they didn't do that. And I can't tolerate on this paint job issue here. So only here I put my finger, originally because I was, unscrewing it. But you can see here on the rear, everywhere it's not really good. I'm not sure if every other casting has some similar issue, but and on top of that, this alignment here is not really good. It is supposed to be a little bit down like this, so that it will be equal. So it feels like this right now a little bit, not properly like flat. Okay, let's rate this casting now. Again, just because I like Majorette, I'm not going to give it a 10 by 10 rating. So this part doesn't really sit well, so I'm taking 0.5 for that. The paint job issue is really like off the charts this time, so taking 0.5 again for that. So the grill details here, they could have went with proper detailing, so again taking 0.5 for that. So 8.5 out of 10 for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.